Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how to delete call history in Instagram app. Friends, please subscribe to this channel, put your likes under the video, also write your comments after watching this video. And let us get started with you. So, I will show you how you can delete the history of both audio and video calls in your Instagram correspondence. First of all, friends, please open such correspondence where you have calls like me. And now I'm going to show you how you will be able to do that, and also what is the difference between audio and video calls and regular messages. So as you can see, I have both audio and video calls here, and I also have a regular text message. In order to delete a regular text message or some emoji, some reels, a photo, a video, and so on, you just press and hold on that message, pause, and you'll get a menu like this, from which you can choose delete, and the message will be deleted instantly. But if you try to do the same thing with an audio or video call that you had before, there's no menu, and so, unfortunately, you can't delete that call history. So where does that leave you? For that, you will have to delete the entire correspondence completely. How to do it? First option, friends. You will need to go back to all your correspondence in Instagram. Then swipe from the right side to the left side of the correspondence you want. Click More, and then select Delete. After deleting, the correspondence will be automatically, of course, deleted and call history. And you will be able to restart such correspondence or continue your communication with this person without any obstacles. And the second option, it is more suitable for those who have Android. For this, friends, you will need to open the correspondence. Then at the top, click on the name of the person. After that, click on the three dots where it says Options and select Restrict. Confirm your action. And friends, as you can see, instantly such correspondence, it disappears from all your Instagram correspondences. Now what will you need to do? You will need to enter the name of the person in the search box, as he is signed in Instagram to go into correspondence with him. As you can see at the bottom, there is now a small menu like this. From that, you'll need to select Delete. And now confirm your action. This way, you will delete all correspondence with this person. Now, in order for you to reconnect, just see this person's name in the search box, click Remove Restrictions. And now, friends, you can easily start to write some messages and continue the conversation with this person. These are the ways you can delete Instagram audio and video call history, friends. I hope, friends, that this video was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also write your comments and give your likes. See you soon.